right, Buster, what happened?
I sent her a little too hard.
Here at Rockingham Speedway with MB Drift, the last event of the season. It's called Halloween Havoc. It's usually pretty much the biggest event. Lots of drivers today. I think there's over 60 drivers. They're all headed over to the drivers meeting, and well, I probably need to head over there in a moment too, because I'm going to drive today. I don't know, maybe we'll see if we can do some 360 entries on Little Rock, or maybe we'll do some more high-speed stuff. Honestly, I'm not really sure what we're going to do today, other than the main thing is to drive and have a good time with friends. I got lots of my buddies here today, people I haven't driven with in like over a year, and I want to go and hang out with the buddies and have a good time. Like we got my buddy Evan and his Mark III Supra, and his teammate and buddy over here, Michael Schmurick. I'm gonna drive with them today. He just put a new turbo on this. And this guy right here, Michael Vasilos, in this sweet white S13. The very first tandems I did were with him in this car at the old Myrtle Beach Speedway. But back then, this car had an SR20 in it. Now, it has an LS. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I have another Corolla buddy here today. That's like a stock looking GTS. I'm gonna have to go check that out in a minute. That's sick. Check out all these drivers. So many of them. I guess before we decide what we're gonna do today, we're gonna get some warm-up laps in and go get on track. Tires are definitely a little cold, and probably a little too high tire pressure, but we'll give it a go. Just trying to get warmed up a little bit. We got Andy and his BMW following me. Maybe we'll flip-flop now and I'll chase him. That'd be fun. Up and loosey-goosey. 5? Sure? Alright, we're gonna lead a big train.
Well, that was fun.
All right, we got a couple of really good laps in, but now we're gonna go get some lunch. Super excited, my favorite food truck is back. Las Palmas Taco Truck. This is it. This is the best. Yes. These are like, seriously, like my favorite tacos. They're like, you know, they're pretty basic like street tacos. Ooh, they're hot. I mean, just basic street tacos, but so good. Delicious.
All right, so switch courses. We're over here on Little Rock now because the second track. Here we go. Got those tires nice and toasty, so we're gonna let them cool off quite a bit. I don't want to kill them so fast. Okay. Down into the infield, and because I switched up to the high-speed layout down there, and I can do like fourth gear entries down there, so we're gonna go give that a go now. All right. I'm gonna go get the water. You see that? We're gonna go cool off our tires because they got real nice and toasty there. Uh-oh, something's up with my car. Something is pulling real bad. Oops. We blew a tire! We're gonna go ahead and limp this back in. Because I just know if I'm not careful, I will damage the wheel. So I'd rather not do that. Ooh! I chewed up that wheel a lot more than I thought. Ooh. Yeah. I am sorry, wheel.
So end of the night, I missed the night drifting. A friend of mine crashed, so I went over to try and help him get his car sorted out. Hey Buster, what happened?
I sent her a little too hard. Yeah, the off-rack spacer is still good. But not the rack. That's okay, that's replaceable.
This is why offset rack spacers are bad. If you had straight rack spacers, do you think that would have happened?
Maybe the tie rod would have given out first or something. Maybe something would have given out.
Yeah.
Man, today has been rough. Now I'm back over at my car and realized that I left the battery on, left the key on for several hours while I was sitting here in the garages. So hopefully my car still starts. I'm gonna check that. But I also noticed something else. My Nobi Boost spoiler is having a really hard time staying on. At one point, I lost this spoiler when I was drifting and it's damaged it. And it's gotten a lot worse. So it is really not holding on very well. I think I'm gonna have to take the spoiler off just because that's not good. Okay, now, I put in this battery on Drift Week. This is an Access Power D925. So I put that battery in the car for Drift Week, and I'm just curious if, now that I've left the key on for several hours. All right, let's find out if it starts. I can hear the fuel pump. Yeah! That's amazing! I left this car with the key on, engine off for a couple hours, and I just started like that, no problem. Yeah, these batteries are awesome. I might just put these excess power batteries in like all my cars. I'm really happy about that. I also haven't seen my car wingless in a long time. A couple of years, actually. I don't know how I feel about that. It's kind of naked. Or tell me what you feel about it. Put a comment in there or something. So one of the things about coming to the track that I always forget about, especially at night, is making sure that I've got food, because there's food trucks that come out for lunch. But for dinner, they don't seem to stay very long. So what I normally do is I walk through the garages to see, all right, who's got a grill, who's got food, and well, what's this over here? Earlier, I made my mark. I had successful hunting. Man, today's been a roller coaster to say the least. Got up, drove some good laps with some friends. Drove some fast laps. Drove some fast lap with some friends. Saw some people crash. Saw some people break their cars. And for the most part, my car's okay. And my camera equipment is starting to die. So it's been a good day. I guess we'll just call it. Yeah. See you next time.